Get Connected is a one-stop shop where community members looking to find volunteer opportunities and organizations who are looking for some extra hands can meet in the middle. The platform enables community organizations to easily promote volunteer opportunities, in-kind needs, and special events using a familiar social environment. It allows members of the community to browse existing needs and then register for service opportunities that align with their passions. It will generate a report on all volunteer data that captures useful information on the impact of volunteerism within our community and creates a volunteer resume that will summarize each volunteer's efforts within the community throughout a given time period. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the site's layout and features. First, we'll look at the Needs section. Needs are the volunteer opportunities that the various organizations need help with. This is where you would go if you were a person looking to volunteer. You have a couple of different options for finding volunteer opportunities on this tab. You can sort by newest first, oldest first, alphabetically, or you can search by a filter. One of the main ones here is the interest area, where you would then be able to filter volunteer opportunities by an interest that fits your needs. For example, children and youth. This will bring up all of the volunteer opportunities that have been tagged as one that aligns with children and youth. To sign up for a volunteer opportunity, you would click View Details. You can see the brief description, when the opportunity is, additional details down here, the interest it's tagged with, the number of spots remaining, and the agency it's aligned with. If this is an opportunity you would like to pursue, you would press Respond, which will then notify the United Way of Mower County that you are interested in their volunteer opportunity. Next, we'll take a look at events. Events are the noteworthy things that are happening in the community that people or volunteers may want to take part in. It's a place for organizations to advertise to the community the events that they have coming up. The Agencies tab allows you to browse all of the agencies who are registered on the site. This is a great way to find additional information on an agency you may want to become more involved in. If you have an agency you particularly like, you can become a fan of them, which will then allow them to send you regular updates of things that they have going on. Finally, if you go to your user profile, you can do a couple of different things here. After you have participated in a volunteer opportunity, you would need to go to Track Hours. From here, you can add hours. And here you will put them in reference to a need you responded to on the site, or if you did something outside of the site that you didn't sign up for, you could select No and fill out this information here, and then submit the hour entry. If you're wanting to look at the impact that you've had, you can run your volunteer resume. And this will just download a PDF version of your impact that you've had. It will tell you the number of volunteer hours that you've participated in. It will tell you the monetary impact value of your hours. It will tell you how many needs you've responded to, how many events you've RSVP'd to, and how many agencies you are a fan of, which will then further break down your hours by the month, by the interest, by your primary interest, and then this will give you a list of your opportunities you participated in and the hours that you've done. So this is just a quick overview of some of the site's capabilities. I would encourage you to create a profile for yourself and browse the site further to see which capabilities may work best for you.